First of all, good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I'm also fine. So, guys, first of all, I'm going to tell about myself. So, myself is Moni Sefi. I'm 16 years old and I am from Computer
Okay. You?
My name is Anasana Sefi. I'm studying 9th class from Magnum Garden School.
And you?
My name is Dara Sefi and I am studying in 9th class.
And you?
My name is Tanu Verma and I'm pursuing BA.
Okay. And you?
My name is Swati and I'm pursuing BSc second year.
And you?
My name is Tisa. I'm studying in 10th class.
Speak loudly. And you?
My name is Green Singh and I am studying 10th class.
Okay. So today, now I'm gonna tell about some topics
Okay.
which you will discuss. Okay. So first of all, tell me some topics I have. Okay. So what do you think about miracles of science?
Miracles of science.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can explain anything about science. Okay. So tell us.
Miracles of science because
Okay.
you can do anything of miracles of science.
Okay. What has given us?
Because they has cars and bike,
Okay.
airplane. You can go anywhere in miracles of science.
Okay.
By suppose if our India miracles of science, so you can't go anywhere.
Okay. Tell me one experiment, one instrument which is connected to science. Explain.
Miracles of science connects to computer.
Like, can you tell me without computer can we work or not?
Not.
How?
That's why first of all, big companies, this companies doing computer.
No. Okay. What do you think about computer?
Computer is the most important for our life, and computer is not most important for our life. We can do everything with computer, and computer has lot of knowledge, but computer doesn't have which people have, because people made computer, and there are lot of people do work with the help of computer.
Yeah.
The people do big work with the help of computer, and also computer is most important for businessmen,
Okay. Why do mostly workers operate computer?
because they need, and if you don't operate computer, they can do work but longer time, and if they have computer, so they can do complete work within a 1 day, 2 day, and 3 days.
As their thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And suppose you know very well many workers okay, so operate computer.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they operate because they don't have time. Okay, now
They work in
yeah,
computer.
for saving time we operate computer because there are lot of work. Okay, now okay, which can't be impossible without computer. So now tell me, hey, what do you think about scientists? Why do our scientists want and what do they want?
Yeah, they want that we should change our India. That now India has lot of disease, and we should change our India.
Yeah.
That they want. I should new experiment. Yes. Like aeroplane. So they want.
Okay, why are they making like
Because of
this
their-
instrument?
They want change. That how can we change in our how can we change India?
Okay, they are doing.
They are doing.
Okay, so which type of benefit are we are taking from the scientists?
Well, like, there are lot of instruments in our India because of scientists, and we have lot of instruments.
So which type of benefits are we taking from the instrument?
Yeah, I'm telling you that we have already taken lot of instruments from scientists, like electricity. Yeah, it is instrument which is connected to scientists. That scientist has made electricity. That electricity is the most important for our life now. Yes. And
Okay.
that time.
Okay, now tell me, without phone can you study or not? Okay, first of all tell me the benefits of phone.
All benefits.
Yeah, speak loudly. The benefits of phone. what can we do with the help of phone? Can we study or not?
Yes, we can study
How?
with the help of phone.
But some people don't study. Why?
I don't know.
Okay, so now tell me benefits of phone.
When yes, we can.
Okay, suppose if you have phone and you are learning English, so what will you do with the help of phone?
What?
What will you do with the help of phone? If you have phone and you are learning English, so how will you operate phone? For benefits?
Yes.
How?
We can do. We can remember vocabulary,
Yes,
and
yes.
we can watch newspaper, and we can English stories.
Okay, without teacher can we study or not?
Yes.
How? How will you study? Suppose if we don't
With the
have
help of
teacher,
phone.
yeah. How will you study? With the help of phone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me the benefits of phone. What do you think?
The benefits of phone.
Yeah.
Phone is the most important nowadays, because we can study,
Yes.
and we can talk other friends and his families, that like
Okay, suppose tell me during the lockdown,
yeah,
people, how are they spending their time? Because
because
yes,
with the help of phone, because people stay at home
yes,
with the help of phone.
okay.
And
Couldn't they stay at their home without phone?
yes,
Okay, so with the help of phone, what were they doing during the lockdown?
they were spending for all time with the help of phone, and they
Okay, tell
would-
me, how were they getting news? Because everything was closed, okay, during the lockdown. How are we getting news during the lockdown?
with the help of phone
Okay,
getting news, because what happened our India, and talk to
yes,
other
yes,
friends and relations
Yes,
during
yes.
the lockdown. What happened,
yes, yes.
and
And what do you think about it? Yeah. Okay, tell me, without phone, can you study or not?
Yeah, we can study, but some study. We can some study, but we can get knowledge with the help of teachers. But we study with the help of phone.
Tell me, can you study without teacher? And if you have book and you don't have
No.
teacher, so how will you study?
We can study without teacher, but we can't understand on full.
Okay.
And
Yes, yes. Okay, tell
Yes,
me
yes.
without television. Suppose without phone, you don't have phone and you have TV. How
but
will
I
you
don't
study?
need to phone. But when I have teacher and I have lot of teacher, so what will do with
No,
phone?
I'm asking to you. Okay, that if you don't have phone and you have TV, so what will you do? How will you study with the help of TV?
But some people don't watch TV, but and some people watch to phone, operate phone. But I know I operate phone, but I don't. Some I operate some phone, but I don't have phone.
Yeah.
But because I don't study with the help of phone, because some people study with the help of phone, but I don't study with the help of phone, because I operate YouTube and any video I think any video I watch any video,
Yes,
but
yes.
I don't watch it like study for study video. No, I don't watch.
Okay, tell me
Really.
the place of women in our India.
Oh, I can't tell. Because I don't know.
The place of women in our India. What is the place of girls in our India?
Why?
Okay, so tell me something about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam was
Speak loudly.
very great scientist for our India, because he was a very great child for our family, because he was a great for our family, because he didn't have much money that time. And
Okay, how did he become a great scientist of India? You know very well, every people knows about APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, now who was a scientist of our India? Yeah.
First of all, he made one aeroplane because and after that one missile.
Speak loudly.
And after that he made one missile because one missile has failed.
Yes, yes.
He think that what will happen.
Yeah.
And after that he should think that I will make one missile again.
Yes,
And
yes.
after that missile will good. That he was a great scientist for our.
Okay, what can we get from these words? We can get that we student, yeah, you know very well, people fall, people fail, and then we get up. So with the help of these words, we can get that we shouldn't give up.
Yeah.
Okay, now they didn't give up. First of all, they failed in first mission, and second, but they didn't give up. They thought that I'll make again. After that, you know very well, they made again second. Okay, now mission, and he was fail or not?
Good.
He succeeded.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, tell me now two topics, different. You are okay, and you. Okay, you have confidence, you have knowledge. Okay, what do you think about these topics? Or knowledge is better than confidence, or confidence is better than knowledge? What will you speak about it?